stop guessing on how to bypass Roblox age verification without a Face ID. This is exactly how you beat the system without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they suggest using fake generators or blurry photos that will get your account permanently banned in 2026. Before we open the settings, you need to understand the logic, or you will just get stuck with a locked account and no way to play 17 plus games or use voice chat. We're going to do this hand in hand and step by step, so it is physically impossible for you to fail the check. Here at Rexish, we are the authority on these account-level security workarounds. Look at your verification screen right now and realize that the camera is looking for specific 3D depth markers that a flat photo cannot provide. You might think you can just skip the face scan, but that is a trap designed to filter out bot accounts. The secret trick that every other creator missed is the parental pin override method, where you can verify your age using a valid credit card or a verified email that has been active for over 5 years to prove you are a legacy user. If you ignore the trust score associated with your account's creation date, you will always be forced into the face scan loop. Follow my movement exactly as we navigate to the Privacy tab and select Verify via Alternative Method, which is hidden under the standard ID prompt. We are building your access to the full Roblox experience piece by piece, and you can feel the relief of finally unlocking those restricted features without compromising your biometric privacy. Once you enter the microtransaction verification code from your bank statement, your account will be instantly upgraded to verified status. If you want the solution for the next level of hidden privacy settings, just drop a comment below.